Hello everyone, I'm going to discuss with you. Do you do afraid your mistake during the speaking with someone, and there is no need you afraid to watch on your mistake, and everyone found our mistake, so we feel comfortable. I do also. We do mistake, and with communication with others, with known person, unknown person, ignorant person, but there is no matter, we don't feel uncomfortable, we don't afraid towards our mistake, towards our time. So this is the we need to practice, and if we do practice every single day at least 5 minutes, at least 10 minutes, so this is the best way of do any work. And if any work we do every single day with continuity, with consistently, it is the best way, it is the best method of doing of do this work. And there is no need of strategy, there is no need of doing all those work. This is the best method of applying in yourself every single day. If we teach with someone, so we can gain and some knowledge from books, from our seniors as well as our juniors. So this is the best method of applying in ourselves. And every we can learn from our elders as well as our youngers, and we can learn time to time from new books, many books. If we read any short paragraph, so then we can apply our daily routine. So this is the best method. I don't read, I have not been reading anywhere because I was busy and I wanted to watch any reels. But in today I thought in myself, I must make one video. It is beneficial for me and it gives me any multiple benefits. This is the best way, this is the best idea. If we are making video, we do feel comfortable during the speaking with someone, as well as in front of camera, in front of our new guy as well as our family members. This is the best medicine of enhance this skill, enhance this idea. And today I feel comfortable due to raining. It has been raining in my side, in my area, and there is going on maybe spring season. So due to this reason it has been raining today with continuity, with consistently. So we must be apply in our daily routine. And we can make also, we can frame and small sentences in our life, and we it will be habitual. Our tongue will be trained, but gradually we can't enhance this skill just like 1 hour and 1 month. Within 1 month, it takes time. Practice makes perfect. Everyone has any different type of mindset, different type of idea, and they feel comfortable, they do hard work. So due to hard work, they have this static ideas, static, different type of complex idea, different type of alternative option. So this is the best medicine, this is the best method of growing in day by day. And after some time we will get success. We can't get success initially, instantly and immediately, it takes time. So maybe you will have to prepare, you take time, we take time. So after some time we will not feel afraid, we will not feel just like here. This is the best medicine of improving ourselves day by day and time to time. And this is the best way of going in this work. And everyone has any different type of mindset. And in English is also, I feel uncomfortable during the my speaking. I feel just like during the do this work, if I talk with someone, I feel like if I will do some mistake, so everybody maybe catch my mistake, and then I don't describe my thought, but nowadays it has been 2 months, it has been completed 2 months, so now I don't feel comfortable. So this is the best medicine if we are speaking anything, whatever, whenever, until unless it comes our mind. So this is the best way, and I bought new this is item and mic. So I wanted to check it. I'm going to check it, and this is my first video with my Mac, and in this direction I set only today. We can make also some sentence during the we had purchased any something. This is the best method of applying in ourselves in our daily items, and this is the best method of going to do this work, that work, and everybody, maybe if everybody wants to do enhance this skill, so they can do this work instantly, immediately, and day by day. So this is the best way of improving day by day, and all person those are doing this work, that work. So maybe they had idea, they have experience. So it is based on experience, it is based on good method, good command, and good static idea. This is the alternative option, this is not alternative option, but we do this work, that work with continuity, with consistently, with best medicine, with best static idea, and this is not long question, but if we want to do enhance this skill, we will have to describe all those thoughts we do every single day in our daily routine, in our daily life, and in our daily command, and we feel comfortable if weather would be cool and calm, if weather would be good suggestion, good command, and good advice, and this is called of peace of mind. So maybe all person has described this thought, that thought, so it would be better for every person, for everybody. And so thank you guys, whatever, whenever I had shared with you. So please subscribe my channel and like our videos.